Our labeled items for this bag are going to be our EPA, Monomer Polymer, nail glue, the nail dehydrator. You need to label. Our labeled items for this bag are going to be our EPA, Monomer Polymer, nail glue, the nail dehydrator. You need to label. For this section, you will have 32 minutes to complete. You will be informed when you have 16 minutes remaining. Set up manicure table, sanitize your hands, and prepare for services. Again, we want to take our pre-taped bag and place it on our station to prepare for our contaminated items. When setting up our station, we want to place our working items on with your working hand. So if you're right-handed, you want to place your monomer and polymer, all of your products that you're going to need on the right-hand side, and then all of your pre-bagged implements on your left. Things like your orange wood sticks and your nail clipper, tips, etc. Prepare the nail for services. In doing so, we want to remove old polish, remembering to close each bag after usage. We want to apply nail antiseptic to dehydrate the nail for better adhesion. And then we're going to buff the nail to remove any shine and natural oils. want to select the appropriate size of nail tip for our nail, making sure that it completely covers the nail plate from side to side, but never covers more than half the length of the nail bed. When applying the adhesive, we want to put a small dot of glue, and we want to use the stop, rock, and hold method, making sure that the nail is securely placed on your client's finger. Next, we're going to trim the nail. When trimming your nail, you want to use your nail clipper to cut off half the nail on one side, and then flipping over and cutting off the other half on the opposite side of the nail. Now we're going to blend the nail tip, remembering that you want to work from one edge falling inward and vice versa. Now we're ready to apply our monomer and polymer. We're going to place our liquid into our working bowl. We want to immerse our brush into the monomer, making sure that it is wet. And then we're going to place it into our polymer, creating a small bead to be placed onto our nail. We want to place the ball on the free edge of the nail molding it down towards the tip, making sure that we keep even, smooth strokes and that we're firmly pressing to where it stays smooth. We want to remove any excess on our towel, and if we need to add more monomer to thin out our powder, we can do so at this time. After you have successfully smoothed out your product, you want to make sure you remove any extra. And again, pressing down as you are smoothing to make sure that our product stays even. We want to allow for time for our product to properly dry. In the meantime, we can go ahead and start to cap up and clean up our area for the products that we're not using anymore. All right, on our final step, we're going to finish the nail surface, again by filing from the outside of the nail bed, working towards the center, and making sure that our nail is smooth and even. Okay, we want to make sure that we properly dispose of waste materials, ensure that our workstation is clean and sanitary, place contaminated items into our trash, ensure that our containers stays closed throughout the duration of the exam, that our kits remain sanitary, and that we avoid cross-contamination. As we're putting our things away, we want to make sure that we clean our station and leave it sanitized. before we are grading. Once you're complete with your sanitation, you want to raise your hand to be graded.